What up though, what it do, what's happening? It's your main man's DJ Main Event, back with another review video, and today we are here with the Dji Mic Mini. First things first, what I love about it, how everything fits right in this case. You get two mics and a receiver. They fit right in this case here. It took a little second to learn all the features, but I will say connecting to the DJI products is simple and straightforward. You pretty much just turn it on, you press and hold your power button for 2 seconds. To link it, press and hold your link button for 2 seconds. It'll blink like that. And then you go into your DJI and you select wireless mic and connect. As simple as that. If you want to use another camera that's not a DJI product, you just come over here to your receiver, press that power button for 2 seconds, turn it on, it'll blink right there. And then you'll press the link button for 2 seconds to turn it into link mode. And then you'll come get this guy, press and hold for 2 seconds to turn it on. Press and hold that link button to put it in link mode. And it'll flash. And then you'll see that that one is lit. That means it's connected. And then you press that same button to stop and start recording if you're using a DJI camera. Now back to the power button, you will press that button one time once it's on, and that'll turn on noise cancellation. I will say noise cancellation on here is pretty good because my heat just kicked on, and I wonder if that'll pick up in the background. We'll see. But noise cancellation on here is pretty good, but if you have it set too high, it can sound kind of robotic. I went outside to do a field test. Here's what we got. So downtown Atlanta, got my mic on. It's clipped right here. It's everything going on down here. I do have noise cancellation on high right now. I will stop this video and see what it sounds like without it. And this is what the mic would sound like with no noise cancellation at all. Again, walking down Peachtree. No noise cancellation, just straight mic. I'll stop this one and do another one of just the Pocket 3. So this is the audio straight from the Pocket 3, no mic, just the camera itself. Not as busy down this street, but. So I really just came by the airport real quick to see how it sounds. There's music in the background, there's people talking, cars, all types of situations. So we'll see how it sounds, and I'll do another one with noise cancellation on. I think it's on. Should be on now. So at the airport, you know, testing the mic out. Like I said, there's music playing, cars going by, people talking, but more content on the way. All right, so we back downtown Atlanta. You see it. Just wanted to do a quick mic check to see what it sounds like. I do have the noise cancellation on. There's music playing behind me, and I will turn it off so you can see the difference. And now this is what it sounds like with noise cancellation off. Is traffic going on, is cars going by. Now, I'm gonna turn the mic off so you can hear what it sounds like straight from the camera. Straight camera audio, no mic, no nothing. Straight from DJI Pocket 3. So yeah, it's getting kind of cold, and I done walked a little bit more than I wanted to. Since I'm reviewing the footage, I think the strong noise reduction is a bit much. So I think I'm gonna keep it on low, but we'll see. I gotta listen to the videos and see how they turned out. For now, I get back at you. Couple things I would note is that the magnet is really strong. Just be careful because it can get lost in clothing while you're taking it on and off. Another cool thing I found out about the receiver is if you plug it up to your phone and plug a charger into here, you can charge the receiver and your phone at the same time. Overall, I think this is a great mic. I love how compact it is, how small and simple and easy it is to use. I don't think I needed the 2-pack with the receiver, specifically because the transmitter connects so easily to the DJI products. There's no need for all of this, and especially with the videos I'm doing. So let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment, make sure to like, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.